Now, 47 people have gone on newborn baby gang trial in Turkey in connection with an alleged scam in which newborns were reportedly transferred between hospitals for profits. According to the prosecutors, the doctors, the nurses and ambulance drivers are responsible for the deaths of at least about 10 infants while they were trying to do so. The defendants are accused of making false diagnoses to transfer babies to 19 private hospitals where the infants were kept in intensive care units for a long period of time, sometimes even for unnecessary treatments. In other cases, babies who were in need of specialized care did not receive the treatment that they needed. The indictment has revealed that at least about 10 babies have died as a result of negligence and improper treatment over several years in the country.
When we went, they told us the baby was in critical condition. It was on a Tuesday. When we went, they told us the baby had died. They gave us a medical report that said the baby had died of natural causes. But apparently, that wasn't the case. We learned just last month that wasn't the case. I want to press charges. I want justice to be served. My baby was born after 8 years of fertility treatments.
Now, the aim of this scandal, reportedly, believe it or not, was to secure a security payment of $230 per day, which is granted to private hospitals that treat newborns on top of the fee that is charged to the parents. The profits of $230 were then shared out between the staff members of the hospital.
Sağlık Bakanlığı ve sağlık çalışanları olarak
we as the Ministry of Health and Healthcare professionals do not call this a newborn gang. We call them gangs with no sense of humanity. We call them bad apple operations because we know that these people do not have human values, let alone be healthcare professionals. And we have fought against such gangs and people who engage in such wrong behavior, and we will continue to do so.
Yanlış davranışlar içinde olan insanlarla mücadelemizi yaptık, yapmaya da devam edeceğiz.
Meanwhile, as the trial opened, dozens of people took part in a protest outside of the courthouse and near Istanbul, chanting baby killers will be held accountable and private hospitals should be shut down. As of now, 10 hospitals have had their licenses revoked as a result of this investigation. The defendants have denied any wrongdoing. However, if found guilty, the defendants will face some very lengthy prison sentences for homicide due to negligence and fraud. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.